In this guide, I'm gonna answer a popular question: can you add a McDonald's gift card to the McDonald's app? Stick around because I will walk you through everything you need to know. First, launch your McDonald's app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Browse the menu, pick your items, and choose between pickup or delivery. Enter and save your delivery address, adjust the item quantities using the plus icon, and add everything to your bag. Once you are ready, tap checkout. Now head to the payment section. Here you will see options like debit card and credit card. But here's the catch. As of right now, the McDonald's app does not have a dedicated option to add gift card directly to your account for mobile orders. But don't worry, you can still use your McDonald's gift card. Just present it at the counter or drive-thru or any McDonald's location. It works perfectly in store even though it's not integrated into the app. You can't link a gift card inside the McDonald's app at the moment, but you can still use it in person to grab all your favorite menu items. And if McDonald's updates the app in the future with gift card functionality, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.